It's chore day. We are doing a little cleaning in the back. We're putting some things away.
Switching out from winter
Yeah,
to summer.
absolutely. Absolutely. So we got our clothing bins. We also have to find a screwdriver. Believe it or not, we did not leave ourselves access to even just a screwdriver, so we can change out our license plates.
Oh, we have a multi-tool, but
Yeah, it doesn't have all the things.
it's in that bin right there.
Yeah, we got to empty out. So we're going in sections. First we started doing things on this section. Now we're on this section. Then we're over there. It's a process, folks.
So we get our pull out.
Till the pull-out drawer comes into play. What are you doing, Chris?
Put our Texas plates on.
Bye-bye, Washington. It's gonna be official. Yep. Finally got the screwdriver out of the back. We're gonna keep this handy in the vehicle. You gonna wipe that clean?
Oh, let's make that clean.
Yeah, let's wipe that off.
Stand by.
I've got 2 sets of screws in my hand now, so this is gonna be, I don't wanna lose those. There it is. Sticker in the windshield and we'll make it official.
Let's do it.
So this is the sticker, the registration sticker. This goes on your window. It doesn't go on your license plate. First time I've ever done this before. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off from the back and stick it on the front window in the corner. Sherry's gonna see if I can do it somewhat right.
Uh-oh.
It's good enough, I guess. I think it's about time for a new screen. What do you guys think? That's crazy. Bailey's jumped through it a couple times, going in and out. And I just put my knee or my foot through one of these holes. Yeah, coming in and out today.
Keeping bugs out, I don't think.
No, this side is beautiful. Why can't we just flip it around?
I know, right?
I wish. All right, we've got the new screen. It's just basically ripping the old one off and putting the new one on. Brand new screen. So I think what happened last time is you see where these fold lines are from it being packaged. I think it got cold and the screen material just kind of got a little brittle along those fold lines because that's where most of the rips were. So I think that's what happened. Hopefully it's warm enough and with the sunshine on it, hopefully that'll just kind of go away, kind of iron out of the mesh, and it won't be such a weak point in the screen. But there it is. Easy enough. Just got to add a little bit of Gorilla Tape to the bottom edge there and we're good to go. Well, we're leaving Livingston today.
Yes, we'll be in Texas for quite a while.
Yeah,
we're leaving Livingston.
We're heading to Austin to see my aunt and uncle. We visited with them last year on our way through. We had a great time here. It was very productive.
It's awesome. It's very quiet and peaceful here.
This campground, with the amount of people that are here, is so incredibly peaceful. I'll just kind of give you a quick overview of the site that we're at. We're in dry camp.
We only have a couple of dry camps.
There's like 3. This is dry camp B.
So it's just us and this.
And then there's one more guy over there dry camping. RTT. Rooftop tent. So I'll show you around here real quick, but we're out of here.
This is our favorite spot though, because we're right across from the bathroom, showers, laundry,
everything.
Dumpsters, everything's
all right here.
Super convenient.
Yeah, so this is real nice. We'll be back through here in March when we make our way back east, which is something we can talk about later, but we're hoping we can stay here again in March. So fun.
All right.
So let me just show you around real quick where we've been for the last several days, and then we're gonna hit the road. So this whole area is a dry camp spot. This is dry camp B. Over here is dry camp C. Down the road to my left here, as you come into the park, is the first dry camp A. So we're really located very well to the bathrooms, laundry, showers right there. This whole area here is for hookups behind us, or in front of me here, I should say, behind us in the van that way. That's all hookups. And this is a very large park. I don't know exactly how many spots there are. Maybe if I find that out, I'll put it in here. But it continues all down that way, and even beyond. It's massive. I'll throw a picture of the map in here is what I'll do, so you get an idea of how big this is. But this is where we've been situated for the last several days. We got here Tuesday night. Today is Saturday morning. So we were able to get all our things done very easily, and we're hitting the road.
Lake Livingston. This is just huge.
Look out here, it's like an ocean. It's crazy. Massive lake.
I have to look up and see how big this lake actually is.
Bayley got to come into the library today. Dogs are allowed.
Thank you, Pflugerville Library. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, too. Happy holidays. There's the van. That was a very productive time here at the Pflugerville Library. That was awesome. They let dogs in. We made it to Walmart here in Pflugerville. We're parked in the exact spot we were parked in last time we were through here. That's hilarious.
Told you we're creatures of habit.
Very much creatures of habit.
Oh, we like that spot. Well, before they were building this building.
That's right. This whole building here was under construction. So all this area that's down below where the van is parked was all under construction.
Big machinery and stuff. So that's a nice building.
Yeah, it is a nice building.
So that's awesome.
It's 7:45. We're gonna run into Walmart here and get ourselves. I'm gonna walk over on this side, I think. Get ourselves a couple last-minute things we need. Then we're gonna turn in for the night.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet my Uncle Ray tomorrow. Ray and Priscilla tomorrow. They're in Austin, which is just pretty much around
North
the corner, north of Austin. And then it looks like we're gonna meet up with a friend, Carrie, a friend of a friend, who we tried to meet up with last year and we couldn't. Timing just didn't allow for it, so we're gonna finally get to meet up with her on Monday.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, that'll be fun. She's a friend of our friend Leslie's, and Leslie said, "Oh, when you get down into Texas, you got to see if you can meet Carrie." So
We're gonna meet Carrie.
We're gonna meet Carrie. Okay, quick Walmart stop and then in bed for the night. Morning. We just left Costco. So how did our morning go today? We left Walmart, which is just down the road from here, and we went down to Heritage Park, which we were at the beginning of this year. Spent some time there, let Bayley play with her squirrel.
Squirrel time.
Then we came over here to Costco, where we did a little quick shopping.
Got gas. We're here for the
Got
10
gas.
o'clock opening.
Yep, so it's busy out here now. I don't know if you can see that parking lot, but it got really, really busy. So now we're gonna go to Petco. We need some dog food. And then we're gonna head over to my aunt and uncle's place for a kind of a lunch thing. So we're snacking on string cheese though, we're kind of hungry. Shopping through Costco makes you go, oh man, that's gonna be good. Bayley gets to go into Petco. She's like, oh my goodness. Come on, let's go find your food. Where's your food? Where is it? Come on. Come on, let's go. Ah. Oh, it's down here. All right, the Taste of the Wild.
I had to ask.
Oh my gosh, what did we get? I think we got the Sierra Mountain.
This one right here.
Okay, we figured out which one it is.
Okay.
We do this every time.
That one's good. Yeah, sure.
We do this every time. We can't remember which one we buy.
All right, deal.
It's the lamb. We buy the lamb one.
Okay.
Okay, let's get a bag and
Do you
go.
have your credit card?
How are you gonna pay?
Did you forget? Did you forget your credit card?
Oh gosh, we'll take care of it this time for you. You can pay us back.
Okay.
You can pay us back.
Okay, I promise.
Successful Petco trip. Back to the van and off to see my aunt and uncle. 6 o'clock at night, and we're back at a Walmart. Right there. We are in Lampasas, Texas. We're gonna spend the night here.
North of
An
hour and a
hour
north of
northwest of Austin-ish. Yeah, so
that road was crazy.
we're parked right there. That's where we'll spend the night. Had a
Little
great.
small town. Walmart closes at 11.
We went in and bought an avocado.
Big avocado.
Let me show you the size of this avocado. This is huge. You take it out of the bag. It's like the size of my head.
Weighed like 5 pounds.
It does. Look at that avocado. That's an avocado, you guys. That's crazy. That's a massive avocado. $1.98.
We had a great visit.
We did. We had a great visit with my aunt and uncle. Thank you guys for
Had some lox, bagels
having
and
us
lox.
over. Yeah, had a really nice afternoon lunch, late afternoon lunch. Good visit. And we'll try to swing by again when we come through in March. We talked about that too, so. All right,
Off to Abilene.
Abilene tomorrow to see Carrie. We should actually call Leslie and let her know we're gonna go see Carrie.
We should do that. We
Yeah.
should do that anyway. Yes.
Yeah. So, all right, good night, guys.
Good night.
We made it to Abilene. We're gonna go to the library, which is right there, and it's in this shopping mall. There's all kinds of other stores around. Yeah.
All this is his library.
So we thought it was pretty funny. We're driving around the parking lot going, where's the library? This isn't it. And then lo and behold, there it is. I just got to get a little bit of work done on a video I uploaded the other day. And then we're going to head over to Carrie's place and meet her. Password to log into the Wi-Fi?
No.
Okay. Oh boy, it's a little windy out here. We're in Sweetwater, Texas. We're hanging out in the Walmart parking lot, getting Bailey a final pee before bed. There's the van up there. We're gonna stay here tonight. It's gonna storm a little bit overnight and be really, really windy. So we thought we'll get here and we'll park for the night. This is after Abilene, Texas, visiting with Carrie and Kurt. Thank you guys very much. It was a really, really great time. So glad to finally meet you both. I'm gonna call it. I think Bailey's done doing her thing. I'm gonna call it and get back in the van and get to bed. I'm kind of tired actually. So good night. Good morning from Colorado City. We left our spot in Texas. We're still in Texas. We left our spot at Walmart. Oh, it's chilly.
It's like 40 out.
Woo, it's windy. We came down here to do our breakfast things and let Bailey run and play a little bit.
No.
And she's gonna roll in the sand.
No, we're not rolling.
No.
No, we're not rolling in the dirt. No.
Let me show you where we are. This is the Lone Wolf Creek in Colorado City at Ruddick Park. I apologize for the wind. It's going to be a very, very windy day, but there's Lone Wolf Creek. There's a bunch of geese down the other end there. There's a picnic area up this way, ball fields up there. We got the van parked in a very unlevel spot there, making our coffee this morning. And grass over here, real nice. And yes, you can drive across. There's another section of it on that side too. So it's a big place.
So there's fire pits and stuff over there.
Yep. It's a windy day in Fort Stockton, Texas. Wow. On our way to Marathon, we just stopped at a gas station, filled up, and we're letting Bayley do her thing here. This is like an official dog park, just outside of town. We're about an hour away from Marathon. Wow, is it windy? I can't even.
It's the whole way.
I can't even tell you.
I've been driving like this.
Fighting the wheel. It's been bad.
We got little dog agility.
They do, that's cute. Yeah, this is a cute little area. We're gonna walk her around, let her stretch her legs, and then we're getting back in the van and fight the wind for another hour on our way down to Marathon, where we will spend the night tonight. So this is awesome. This is the Marathon Public Library, Marathon, Texas. I guess they got really good internet here, is what the word on the street. Let's see what we got. And our app said we might be able to spend the night right out here, so we'll figure it out. This is cute. Hi. I didn't see the sign that said step down until like after the fact.
You will be the first one to miss.
Ooh, look what we got for dinner. Got some raviolis with some spinach and garlic and olive oil, dash of lemon juice. We're gonna throw some walnuts in there and some shredded cheese. Oh man, that looks good. She's counting to make sure we get even numbers.
Of course. I'll give you this one. It's got all the garlic on the bottom.
Oh, sweet. I'll take that one. Well, we're going to end our day here outside of the Marathon Public Library. I spent a good afternoon here, got a little work done. It was a great day, great driving day. We're going to be on some adventures tomorrow. Headed down to Big Bend National Park. See you then. Good night.